Want to make your photo look cooler like this? Let's get started. First, import the photo you prepared. And don't forget to set the ratio according to your project. After that, duplicate the photo 2 times, so you have 3 layers. Select the first photo, then go to the Adjust menu. Lower the white's value to -50. Next, select the second photo. Go to the Video menu, then add a rectangle mask. Adjust the size based on your preference, and set the round corners to 20. Now select the third photo. Go to Remove BG and choose Auto Removal. After that, go to Stickers, then select Shapes. Choose the square shape. In the Vector Image settings, turn off Fill, enable Stroke, set the weight to 5, and reduce the opacity to 60%. Then activate Corner Radius and set it to 30. Make sure the square size matches the mask size you created earlier. Then move the square layer below the last photo. And that's it. Your edit is complete. Simple, right? In the next video, we'll explore more editing techniques to level up your projects. So make sure to like, comment, and subscribe so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.